Today is Sun Salute C Day. Sun Salute C is the Sun Salute I do every day in my practice. So join me. I'm Nora Day. Okay, let's do our Sun Salute C's. I love these, and I know you will too. As I come up to the front of my mat, I bend the knees, raise the arms, take a mini back bend. Bend the knees, roll forward, step your right foot back. Right knee comes down, take another little mini back bend, open your heart, your chin, your eyes. As you come forward, step it back. Bend the knees, reach back, roll it on through, and come up to cobra. Knees, downward facing dog. Step that same right foot forward, left knee down. Come on up, arch, back. Roll it through. Step the left foot up, bend the knees, roll it on up. Mini back bend again, thighs forward, open your heart, your face. And stand up. Coming to the other side, lift up, bend the knees. And then you straighten your legs, thighs forward, mini back bend. Bend the knees. Step your left foot back. Right knee comes down and open up the heart. So we're opening the spine, getting more flexible, more fluid. Come forward. Step it on back. Knees to the mat. Reach it back. Roll the body through to get that spinal stretch. Open for a cobra. Back to your knees. Back downward facing dog. Left foot steps forward. Right knee comes down. Open up like you're laying back, and it's nice and easy. Hands come forward. Right foot comes forward. Bend the knees. Roll the body up. Take your mini back bend with straight legs, thighs forward. Open your heart. Relax your arms, your fingers. Come forward. And that's one full cycle of Sun Salute C. These are a wonderful way to open up your heart, open up your spine as you practice your yoga. So try and add these to your practice.